For 7 days, I didn't touch a single task at work. I let AI do everything. Emails, planning, content creation. By day 3, I realized something scary. This wasn't helping anymore. It was replacing me. Here's the deal. I set 3 rules for this experiment. No manual work at all. Only free AI tools allowed. Track what happens every single day. 1 to 2. Can AI really replace a human in simple daily tasks? And what happens if I let it? Day 1. Starting the AI day 1 felt like cheating. I started with emails. AI drafted responses, scheduled meetings, even summarized threads for me. It was fast, accurate, almost too good. I realized I was literally sitting there doing nothing while AI handled my work. Day 2. Content creation. Next. I tested content creation. I fed prompts into a free AI tool for scripts, blog ideas, and social media posts. By the end of the day, I had 3 fully written scripts, a blog post, and 5 social media captions, all generated automatically. I didn't touch a keyboard. Day 3. Shock realization. Then it hit me. Day 3. The AI wasn't just helping. It started anticipating tasks I didn't even assign, drafting emails before I remembered them, summarizing meetings I hadn't even attended. I realized this isn't just convenience, it's replacement. Visual cue. Dark, dramatic lighting. AI workflow, appearing faster than human hand. Day 4. Limits and errors. Of course, AI isn't perfect. I ran into issues. Emails sometimes sounded robotic, some tasks needed human judgment, small mistakes caused confusion. But even with errors, the majority of work was done correctly, faster than I could do manually. If you want to, see the craziest AI tool of this experiment and how it almost replaced me completely, hit subscribe. I post experiments like this every week. Day 5. Scaling AI. By day 5, I started feeding multiple tasks at once. Scheduling emails, content drafts, all handled simultaneously. I literally had time to do nothing while AI was managing everything. Visual cue. Side-by-side workflow of tasks being completed automatically. Day 6. The scary part. Then came the scary part. AI began suggesting improvements on things I didn't even notice. Suggested better email phrasing, content tweaks, and even optimization strategies for work I didn't assign. That's when I realized the AI wasn't just assisting. It was thinking ahead like a human. Maybe better. Day 7. Reflection. By day 7, I had a full week without touching my tasks. The AI did nearly everything correctly. My takeaway: AI can replace repetitive work easily, but human creativity, judgment, and emotion, still ours. For now, lessons learned. Here's what I learned. AI can save hours every day. Some tasks are better automated. Humans still have a role, but not for long if you want to stay ahead. You need to start experimenting with AI today. If you're serious about using AI to save time and get ahead, subscribe to Digital Compound. I test AI tools so you don't have to. Honest experiments, real results. And check out my other videos, like the one where I tested 3 AI tools that feel completely illegal. It blew my mind.